Which of the following best describes the traditional structure of a haiku, a form of Japanese poetry known for its focus on nature and simplicity? Is it 3 lines, 17 syllables? Letter B, 14 iambic pentameter lines. Letter C, 17 lines with 3 syllables. Or letter D is D, 3 lines with 7 syllables and talks about nature. What is our choice? Ang tumpak na choice of course natin dito is letter A, 3 lines with 17 syllables. Nako, may nabulag, 7 syllables lang po ang nakalagay sa ating letter D. Hindi po yan mas complete, no? Mas wrong po siya. Okay? So, 3 lines with 17 syllables dapat. Atin naman pong 14 iambic pentameter lines. This is for your sonnet. Okay? Love poems natin, no? Sonnet natin. Kapag sinabi nating iambic, no? Meron kang 2 syllables, 1 unstressed and 1 stressed syllables. Letter A po, ang ating hinahanap dito, 3 lines with 17 syllables. What about your tanaka? Tanka or tanaka in Filipino? Ayan, okay. Ayun, meron ako nakita. Sir Jelord Javier, 5 lines, 31 syllables. Tama, no? So kapag tanka po yan, 5 lines, imbes na 3 lines, no? Hindi lamang 17 syllables, but 31 syllables. So 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Remember, no, yung ating pong mnemonic, haiku, tanaka, no? So haiku is shorter than tanka, no? Parang pinahaba mo ba kapag gumamit ka ng tanka, no? Haiku, tanka.